In front of me is Realme 9 Pro, and let me show you how to add or remove Google account on this device. So first of all, just open the settings, then find and select users and accounts right here. And here, actually we are logged in with this account. Smoothly tap on it, and whenever you would like to remove it, select more icon and click on remove account. Then confirm that you would like to delete this account with all its data. Click on OK. You need to provide your pattern, PIN code or fingerprint. In my case it's fingerprint, and that's it. As you can see, the account is no longer here. It has been removed. And now whenever you would like to add a new one, firstly make sure that you are connected to Wi-Fi, and then tap on add account. Pick Google then, and now enter your email or phone number, whatever is connected to your Google account. And select next. And it's time to provide the password, so let me do it off the screen. And as only the password is entered, tap on next. I already did it. And now if you would like to set who will be using this device, you can manage it right here. Tap on next then. And here we've got Google Terms of Service, Google Play Terms of Service, also privacy policy. Tap on I agree then. Click on accept, and that's it. As you can see, this account has been added. So that would be all. This is it. This is how you can add and remove Google account. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.